So we got these training wheels for the girls bicycle. This 20-inch bicycle doesn't come with the training wheels. We bought this bicycle recently for our daughter, and we are going to install these set of training wheels. So we bought it from the Walmart. I don't exactly remember what is the price on these, but they shouldn't be very expensive. Maybe somewhere around $20 or something. So generally these smaller bicycles come with the training wheels pre-installed, or they already have them in the box. But since this is a bigger bicycle, it doesn't come with the training wheels. So these are just two metal brackets, and then these are the wheels, just regular plastic wheels with some, I thought it is nylon, and it looks like it is the plastic all the way around, and it says Rascals. And then here is the entire hardware that we are going to use during this installation. It should be pretty simple and straightforward installation. So let's take out the hardware out of the box. Couple of nuts and bolts and washers to install with them. So these bolts should install these wheels. There are no instructions, so we just have to guess how they are going to install. Maybe if we look inside this flap, we could see some instructions here.